Well, hello, my peoples. I'm back at it again with my Instapot. I don't want to use my stove. I just got my stove and I don't want to scratch it. I even got a cover for it. Very nice. So I am making chicken stew, pollo guisado, in the crock pot. And my chicken is frozen. So we're going to cook it frozen. I'm going to season it up frozen and everything like that. That's what I'm going to do. Okay? I did it before with chicken breast, chicken thighs. No, chicken, was it thighs or? No, with the leg quarters. My bad. This is drumstick. And as you see, it's frozen. So I'm just putting it in here. Like, oh my God. It's like, I'm putting it in. Wait, I'm trying to get it to where it lays good. Let's try it this way. Wait, I think I could. No, can't break it apart. Anyway, so that's how we're gonna cook it. Okay. But what I'm gonna do is I am gonna throw some water. If I can find my measuring cup. I'm gonna throw some water. In it, and I'm gonna put it in for like maybe 3 minutes. I'm gonna put 1 cup of water so could at least pressurize a little bit. If it wasn't frozen, I would have oh, my nose there. Excuse me. I would have just season it up and get it going, but I need to defrost a little bit, so I'm just gonna 2 minutes. All right, make sure the seal is up. I'm gonna power cook, bring it down to 2 minutes, 2 minutos on high. Then we're gonna come back and see if it's defrost. I need to break it apart. I want to break it apart. Okay, it's on, and now it's gonna do its countdown. Okay, y'all, we'll be back with that. So hey guys, so since while the chicken is defrosting on 2 minutes, I put it in to pressurize a little bit to loosen it up because it's really frozen. For 2 minutes, I am gonna go ahead and cut some potatoes. Do it faster this way. I don't know. I'm a lefty, so I can't find my other potato peeler. I don't like this one. It's like really plastic, but it does the job. Yeah. Hello. See, I don't like how this cuts. Oh, my mom used to use a knife. I couldn't do that. So then, I got my little sharp in it. Then I'm gonna cut it. And I cut it like this size here. See? This size. And I'm gonna put these potatoes in with the chicken. Oh, let me get this over here. Okay, y'all, we're back. 2 minutes is up. I already cut up the potatoes. Now I'm gonna, hopefully this should be defrost. Okay. And let me get my, it cooked a little bit in 2 minutes. And there we go. Woo, be careful there. It's still frozen underneath, but you know what? The whole thing fits in the pot now. There we go. There we go. The chicken is breaking apart. That's what I wanted. See? I'm keeping the skin on it. Now, I already cleaned this chicken up because I separated, put them in Ziploc bag. So I already cleaned it up, this chicken. Let me use a knife instead, so I can break it up some more. There we go. Okay. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is, I am going to season it up. I'm gonna start off. Destiny, come on. I have sofrito, homemade sofrito. Oh my God, it's like cilantro, pepper, onion, garlic. I'm sure you guys know what sofrito is. You could buy this at the store, but homemade. The best. It's the best. Okay. You want to help me, my little helper? Put this in the refrigerator on the side of the door, okay? Then I'm going to put some minced garlic. I just put like a... I eyeball it. Right here, baby. Put the sofrito in here. Go play, okay? Let go, I got it. She's not listening to me. And then I'm gonna put my dry ingredients. Excuse my child in the back. So I'm using the Gorja Sazon. I don't put salt because all these ingredients got salt. This has 75 milligrams. Excuse me. If you want me to make you embarrassed in front of people, you let me know. Okay? Go in the back or go in your room. Okay? Where you want to play? Go in the back. Okay? So season it up with that. Let me shut up. I have the vent on. Oh, wrong top. Where's the top for this? Oh. This is what happens when you got children running around. Even though I put minced garlic, I'm putting a little bit more of garlic powder. I love the smell of garlic. Oh, even on my breath eating pizza, I drown it with so much garlic. I put some paprika to give it a little kick. There we go. Not much. But I like the smell of it. And then sazon. This package. This gives it the color. Because they have the other one, it's plain, it doesn't give the color. So you just sprinkle it. And I'm going to show you everything how it looks in there. Okay. So this is how, let's see how I could, so that's the inside. Right? That's the inside. Everything is seasoned. I'm also putting a little tomato sauce. It makes it kind of thick, the sauce. Ooh, it's already smelling good. And then I am going to, what I want to do is go ahead and, I want to pour water. So I'm going to put like 2 cups of water. We got 1 cup. You know what? I am going to put at least 1.5. 1.5. And then I'm going to throw in the papas, potatoes. Okay, and so that's done. Potatoes are in, and now what I'm going to do is actually, I have one more thing out. I want to add some bay leaf. A bay leaf, a little bit of parsley, and can't forget the oregano. Where is it at? Here we go. I had it back there. And some oregano. I usually throw corn in it, but we're not doing corn. We're just doing the Pollo Guisado chicken stew with just the papa, the potatoes, and I am gonna do rice with it. So we're gonna lock it up. Make sure your steamer is up. I have a meat stew button, but I'm not gonna use that. I'm gonna use the pressure cook, and I'm gonna set it to 20 minutes. 20 minutes. Set y se acabó. We'll be back with the finished product, y'all. Okay. 20 minutes passed. I let it, after that I didn't do a quick pressure. I just let it sit for 10 minutes. So it's been 10 minutes. I'm gonna press it down, see if there's, you see there's really nothing. So ooh, let me just rinse this spoon out. Oh my Lord. Wow. So I gotta bring you guys over to look at this stuff. Sorry, my hand's blocked. Okay. Here we go. Look at this. And it's done. I'm gonna put it on a plate, grab one. Look at that juice. Oh my God. Wow. Let me get a little plate over here. Okay, so I took some out. I took one out and I'm going to get a fork here. Look at this. Look at this. It is perfectly done. Oh my God. It comes off the bone. Potato nice and soft. Ooh. Mmm. Mmm. You know, everybody cooks their pollo guisado, their chickens too differently. They season it up differently, but this is my way of doing it. Mmm. Oh my God. Now, I'm going to make rice, but I'm just going to do it on the stove. Oh my God. But if I can do it, you can do it. Thank you for watching. Y'all know what to do. Have a blessed day.